A Muslim woman living in America used to go out for work, and her husband would usually walk with her. But on that day, for some personal reason, her husband was not with her, so she had to walk alone, and it was already evening. She had to pass through a dark, isolated tunnel, a place where many people would feel unsafe, especially alone. Thought balloon. She felt afraid, then remembered Allah. As she entered the tunnel, her heart became nervous and fearful. But then she remembered the words of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, about Ayatul Kursi, the most powerful verse in the Quran for protection. So she began to recite it quietly from her heart. She repeated it with full faith. As she walked deeper into the tunnel, she saw a group of young men, goons, standing off to the side. Their body language was threatening, and they were watching her. She felt even more afraid. But she kept walking calmly, reciting Ayatul Kursi in her heart, again and again, not stopping, not showing fear. And something amazing happened. The goons did nothing. They just watched her walk by. They didn't follow her. They didn't touch her. She safely reached home. The very next day, she saw breaking news. A girl had been attacked in the same tunnel, just a few minutes after she passed through it. The same group of goons had assaulted someone else. They were caught by police, and the investigation began. Woman police officer. The woman comes forward. The police needed witnesses, and someone said, there was a woman who passed by just before the attack. So the woman bravely went to the police station and said, yes, I passed through that tunnel before the incident. I saw those same men, but they did nothing to me. I just kept walking. The police asked the main attacker, why didn't you do anything to the first woman who passed by? And this was his answer. Because, she wasn't alone. The officer said, what do you mean? She said she was alone. The attacker replied, no. There were two giant men, one on each side of her. They were walking close to her, and I got scared. That's why we didn't go near her. But in reality, the woman was completely alone. The woman understood the truth. Those two men were angels, sent by Allah to protect her. Because she had recited Ayatul Kursi with a pure heart and deep belief, Allah placed invisible guards beside her.